Extending displays on a Mac using a docking station is an easy way to create a larger and more productive workspace. A dock lets you connect multiple monitors, USB devices, and other peripherals through a single cable, usually via Thunderbolt or USB-C. Modern Macs automatically detect external displays, so setup usually takes only a few minutes. Whether you're working, editing videos, or coding, extending your desktop across multiple screens can make multitasking much smoother and more efficient. Step 1. Connect your docking station to your Mac using a Thunderbolt or USB-C cable. Step 2. Plug your monitors into the dock using HDMI or DisplayPort cables and power on the dock. Step 3. Open System Settings displays on your Mac to view connected screens. Step 4. Drag the display icons to arrange the monitors based on their physical position on your desk. Step 5. Select Extend Display Mode so your Mac uses each monitor as additional workspace.